So welcome again to the production technology video lecture class. So from today's class we study about your seam welding. So in the previous class we'll study about your spot welding. Let's start seam welding, which is the next resistance welding process. So as per your the definition, seam welding is a method of making a continuous joint between two overlapping pieces of sheet metal. In other words, it is a method of producing numbers of spot weld in a continuous manner. That means you can say a continuous manner. You can just, if it is same as like your spot welding, but only it is having the difference that in the spot welding you are using two electrode, flat electrode, but in the case of seam welding we are using two circular type rotating electrode. So seam welding is used for many types of pressure tight on leak proof tank. That means basically this seam welding we are using for preparation of tank, fuel tank, which is used in various types of automobiles, aircrafts, and you can say the water tanks also. So steel plates up to 10 mm thickness can be welded easily by this seam welding process. So up to 10 mm we can easily get welded by this. Then here again the if you consider it if you compare with the spot welding, then you can find the common equipments. That is, here you are having a transformer, so it is also AC type. Again here in the spot welding we are using a movable jaw. In the lower side you are using a fixed jaw, but here in the seam welding case is different. Here in this type of welding process we are using two circular electrodes. So here we are using passes the two overlapping sheet in between these electrodes. So if you go the original picture, so here is the you can see the original pictures of your seam resistance welding process. So here you can see a muffler which is used for in your air purifying equipment has been manufactured by this welding process. So this area can be easily used and it is a continuous welding process. But in the seam welding the case is you are putting just a spot here, so it will take some or consume some more time. But in this case the time is very less. So here you can see the two electrodes in this machine. You are using two rotating type electrodes here. So the two overlapping sheet we are passing through it, so that the welding has been takes place. So as per your working principle is concerned, it is similar to spot welding, except that the tip type electrode are replaced by continuously rotating type circular electrodes. The workpiece to be seam welded are overlapped suitably and placed between the two circular electrodes where held together by their force. That means what we want to be welded, we are forced the both overlapping sheet in between these two circular electrodes. Thereafter, by using your high ampere and low voltage current, is passed through the rolls to the workpiece. So the fusion heat generated at the contact surface between the workpiece due to the resistance offered to the flow of current fuses the metal pieces, and thereafter the pressure from the electrode completes the welding process. That means if you go through the working principle of your spot welding, it is also same. Here just there is a little bit difference. What is that difference? The difference is that here you are having a circular electrode. So when we put the workpiece in between this gap, and when we start the machine, so current will be passed between that. Due to that phenomenon, what's happened, the surface of the both overlapping sheet where iron is there, so in that place the heat generation is maximum. When that heat is maximum, so fusion is also maximum. Thereafter, when this rotation is there of this sheet, it creates the pressure. So now you can see that this. So here is the contact surface. So heat generation generated is maximum here, and due to that heat, the surface of this place or plates is get fused, and due to this pressure of in between the rolls, so what's happened, when this the area is get fused, due to the pressure it get welded. So to avoid avoid the sticking of the plates, or you can say to cooling this electrode, because these electrodes are generally made of copper. Again we are using copper, so due to that heat generation, it required to cool these circular electrodes. So therefore we are using your water particularly, so that to cool that electrodes. So due to this friction, because when these sheets are get passed in between the rolls, so friction is also takes place. So due to that friction and the heat generated, both that creates the heat in the electrodes. So to cool down these electrodes, we are applying water nozzles here in this place. We are applied the water, so to cool down these electrodes, so that sticking of the metal plates are not, to avoid the melting of this electrode, or to you can say to safeguard this electrode. So this is the working principle of or you can say principle of operation of the seam welding. So now let us discuss some again advantages, disadvantages and application of seam welding. So first of all, the advantages of seam welding: less overlap than spot and projection weld. So if you if you want to prepare a tank by using spot welding, it is also possible. But what's happened? It will the time, if we go compare it between the time consumption rate. So which is the tank which is prepared by seam welding, it will take 1 to 3 minutes. But if you same for the preparation same by using your spot welding, then it will take near about half an hour. Then you can say near about 10 times faster. The seam welding is having 10 times faster rate of production if you compare it with spot welding. So less overlapping spot or projection is welded. Then several parallel seams may be produced. So at a time you can say several types of seam can be produced. Again for a continuous rolling, you can say production rate it is very high. Gas tight or liquid tight joints can be produced. That means already we discussed by using seam welding process. Generally we prepare your fuel tank, gas tank, your water container and this type of products, and which is having less than 10 mm thickness. So let us discuss about the disadvantages of seam welding. In the case of seam welding, high cost of equipment as compared to the spot welding sheet. That means the equipment cost is higher in comparison to the spot welding. Then it is difficult to weld thickness greater than 3 mm. Here it is written 3 mm, but it is nowadays we can use up to 10 mm. Thereafter, welding can be done only a long straight line. That means here the big disadvantages. So to produce a continuous welding, because the electrodes are circular one, so the straighter one type workpiece is more choosable in the case of seam welding. Then as per the application, already we discussed, it is used for welding of stainless steel, aluminum, and it is alloyed and its alloy, nickel and its alloy, etc. Fuel tanks of automobile, various automobile parts. These are the majority of the automobile fuel tanks are being produced by using seam welding. Thank you.